Tired of waking up to dark, tired looking eyes? Before you reach for another concealer, here is a natural remedy you have missed or maybe you have overlooked, which are curry leaves. Yes, those same aromatic leaves from your kitchen hold the secret to bright, refreshed under eyes. So, what causes dark circles? Let's find out. Dark circles can be caused by many things: lack of sleep, excess of screen time, stress, poor diet, dehydration, or even genetics. Now let's see the benefits of curry leaves. Curry leaves are rich in vitamin C, iron, calcium, and powerful antioxidants. These nutrients help lighten pigmentation, stimulate blood flow, and soothe tired skin. They are also antibacterial, making them great for sensitive under eye skin. Now let's explore 3 easy DIY remedies. First, the curry leaf under eye gel. Blend few fresh curry leaves with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. You can store in a small container. Apply gently under eyes before bedtime. Curry leaves are antibacterial, making them great for sensitive under eye skin. When combined with aloe vera or glycerin, it keeps the under eye skin moisturized and supple. It provides a calming, cooling sensation that relieves eye strain. Second, try curry leaf ice cubes. Blend curry leaves with rose water and freeze them. Rubbing one gently under your eyes in the morning helps with puffiness and brightening. Ice therapy naturally firms the skin, making it look more toned and youthful. The cold temperature constrains blood vessels, reducing swelling and puffiness instantly. It also helps fade away pigmentation and brighten under eye area. Third, the cooling eye mask. Blend fresh curry leaves with a slice of cucumber. Apply the paste under the eyes for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off. It hydrates and lightens pigmentation naturally. The antioxidants in curry leaves fight free radicals, helping prevent fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes. Applying a cooling mask calms the eyes after long screen hours, reducing tension and strain. The mask reduces water retention and swelling. It's a natural alternative to synthetic under eye creams, ideal for sensitive skin and regular use. So, next time you spot curry leaves in your kitchen, don't just cook with them, give your under eyes some love. Bright eyes naturally, one leaf at a time. Use once daily for at least 2 weeks. Always patch test before using any new natural remedy. Avoid getting the product into your eyes. Patch test on hand. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.